Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, May 6, 2026. Let's take a look at the economic calendar for today. The situation here is quite clear because we got only two very important, high impact events for today. ADP non-farm employment change scheduled for release at 2:15. The market participants expect a hike from 62,000 to 118,000 of this event, so improvement. And then 4:30 we got crude oil inventories from the USA. Very important situation here. As you can see, they're all declining, right? They're on minus, the oil inventories. So right now it's quite obvious that we need to compare it to the situation before the geopolitical events. So quite important data as well, especially for all of you crude oil traders. Now, because there are only two high important events, let's go straight to the charts, and we start with euro dollar. So we got the 4-hour time frame chart of the euro dollar. Local low was made roughly around 1.1677. Now the market is trying to move higher with the momentum at the level of 57 points. Quite nice. Next target is 1.1786. Please remember that the bullish bias is on as long as we are staying above the demand zone. Great. Nice levels here. They were tested at least 2 times, and this is the zone. This is the technical zone here for the euro dollar. Moving higher means that the next target might be hit quite soon. So the bullish bias on the euro dollar for now, for 4-hour time frame chart. Now this is the 4-hour time frame chart of the cable. The same situation here. Let's just take a look how deep did we retrace. I know it's after the fact, but let me just take a look if there is any substantial level that needs to be seen here. This is the one. Yes, no, absolutely not. Generally we retraced 68% and almost 78%, so there is no Fibonacci level here, but nevertheless local low is, I guess, 1.3511, and then bounce to the upside momentum 57, just as it was on the euro dollar, testing the technical resistance at 1.36. then the next target is 1.3656, then the next target is 1.3726. so nice situation here for the bulls. Possible upside movement if the resistance is violated. Now, what is going on the US dollar to Japanese yen yet again? Look at this. Breakout above the technical resistance 157.42, local high roughly here around this level here. There you go. Technical resistance 157.90, and then big rejection, breakout below the technical support. So right now this is the level of 155.05. big smash to the downside. Look at this volatility, high volatility. Dips are buying, dips are being bought by the bulls. Breakout to the upside, no chance, smash down. Something is cooking here on the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Right now the battle for the technical resistance is continuing. We will see how this will go further. Gold on the rise. Finally, what do we have here? We have a test of the swing high from the May 1st, 2026, 4,659. Right now we are testing this level, major technical resistance as indicated by the blue arrow. So the local low was made here. Now we can move it a little bit lower, 4,500. Movement to the upside, strong momentum, 62 points. We might have a breakout, and then we might go as high as roughly around 4,740. All right, so please notice this situation here. We out of the channel, so we don't actually need this channel anymore unless we want to move it. No, we don't want to move it. Let's just play with the levels. So possibly this movement to the downside, doesn't actually look like the bottom for the wave Y, right? But it might be a different kind of a correction here. So nevertheless, bullish movement to the upside, testing the resistance. We will see how it will go later, or potential breakout on gold is coming. S&P 500, new all-time high. Bulls on S&P 500, they simply don't care. They just don't care. 7,292, keep going higher, keep going up. We do it like this. New high, pullback, testing, pullback, breakout, pullback, breakout, pullback, breakout, pullback. Pattern known by everyone. So there is not much to say here. Nevertheless, I need to place my arrow here because we are doing big and strong bearish divergence on this movement to the upside. Please pay attention to this situation. Sooner or later, this divergence will be resolved and the correction will happen. Crude oil down from 107.43 down towards the level of 99.13, just above the technical support. So this is the major technical support for the crude oil. Let me just find my arrow. There you go. This is my arrow. Yes, I want to indicate this level here. That's my arrow, and as you can see, we still got this gap to cover, right? A retail gap is still waiting to get filled. Momentum negative 42 points. So if this technical support located at 98.37 is down, next target is this level 91.86. And last but not least, the Bitcoin. And the Bitcoin is where it's supposed to be, as we said. The Bitcoin is testing the supply zone. Big level here for the Bitcoin. 81,770 had been tested at least 3 times here on 4-hour time frame chart. All right, we are just above the upper flag or channel line. This is the upper one, the black one. We just broke above it. We are inside this $3,000 supply zone. If there is big swing to the downside, then the bears are active, bears are angry, pushing the price lower. However, if we keep doing this like we do right now, if we keep following this path and making every day a new high on a daily candle, as we are doing it today and yesterday, as we've been doing this for whole last week, look at that. This is strong bullish movement with the momentum on a daily time frame chart at extremely overbought levels, obviously. However, we need to keep slowly moving above this supply zone, and this is very bullish. Any movement to the downside, any pattern like this, bearish engulfing, a dark cloud cover or something like that, would be a pullback, and the extension to the downside is bearish. So as long as we go steadily with higher momentum deeper inside this supply zone, the outlook remains bullish. That's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.